Now that you know what types of geographic data Tableau allows you to use to create maps, this lesson will focus on customizing your map by changing colors, shapes, and sizes. Let's get started. Now that we know how to make a map in Tableau, let's begin to customize our map to better fit our analysis. Let's begin by opening our Superstore dataset. In a new worksheet, let's drag our state field to our view, and let's change our map type to filled map by clicking on the down arrow on our marks card and choosing filled map. Let's also drag our region field to the colors option, and now we have a map showing the different regions in the United States by color. To change the color of our regions, let's click on the color option on the marks card, and then click on Edit. Now we can pick a different color to represent each region. If we click on the down arrow, we will be presented with many more palette options. Let's choose Tableau 10 Light, and then click on the region you want to change, and click on the new color you want it to be, and then click on OK. Now we have changed our color options to customize our map. To further customize our map, let's change our map type to circle, and then drag our discount field to our size mark. We now have a map showing different sized circles representing the amount of discount and regions across color. To change the size of our circles for a better view, let's click on Size on our marks card and increase the size of our circles. Now we have a much better view distinguishing our circles. Now, what if we didn't want to have circles on our map? We can click on the down arrow on our marks card, and instead of circles, let's choose shapes. Now, if we click on the shape on the marks card, we can choose a different shape. For additional shapes, let's click on the shape marks card, and then click on More Shapes. We can click on the down arrow on our Select Shapes palette and choose additional shapes. Let's choose Bug Tracking, and then click on the light bulb, and then click on OK. Now we have changed our shapes to better fit our data. So far in this course, we've covered what types of geographic data Tableau allows you to use to create maps, and how to customize your map by changing colors, shapes, and sizes. In the next lesson, we will discuss how to customize your map background to better tell your story. Good luck!